start one.
Yes. So what is the fundamental? You can also learn on the way. It is
Okay.
growth. Okay. Have you seen big coconuts on a very small shrub like this? Yes, guys. Have you seen?
Yes.
Have you seen a big coconut in such a small shrub?
No.
You will never see. For seeing a big coconut, you need a very big tree with a big trunk, with its base to the soil. This is the fundamental. First, understand yourself, grow yourself, ascend to the position, and then you contribute to the society. Does the coconut contribute at an initial stage like shrub?
No.
No, it doesn't contribute. It first grows to a level and then it contributes, which is also a fundamental of Dhyan Prasthan. So, two fundamentals: habituation in meditation and sincerity and regularity in material life, which Guruji also calls it as physical life. So, if you want to grow spiritually, you don't have to leave your material life or physical life. Actually, both are two sides of the same coin. This is Dhyan Prasthan. When you are doing meditation regularly, what happens is your performance in the work increases, the efficiency increases. Why efficiency increases? You should ask me this question. It increases because Guruji says a peaceful mind is a powerful mind. A peaceful mind is a divine mind. If you can clear 10 files with a disturbed mind, with a peaceful mind, maybe you can clear 50. And still attain the bliss and be away from the side effects. By side effects I mean, if you are doing a work, it may happen that it may go as per your way or it may not go as per your way. If you are not affected by the negative ways, if it is not going as per you, if you are not affected by the results, that is the state of Karma Yoga. So when you do meditation, Karma Yoga is automatically implemented during the life, during your way of life. So you are sincere in your material life, you are sincere in your physical life, you are doing your job well, but the results do not have an impact, they do not create a scratch in your brain. So this is the beauty of Dhyan Prasthan. Meditation and work. For this, another approach what Guruji has suggested is introspection. Introspection is, what do you mean by introspection? Introspection is going within yourself and analyzing what I have done so far, how I can improve better. Suppose I cook some food. Do you think that cooking food is just adding some elements, like you have taken some vegetables, you have put some salt, some spice and baked it? Does that amount to cooking? Guruji says you can put a pinch of love in it also to provide more satisfaction to the family members. So that makes the cooking complete. So what is material is you are adding vegetables, you are adding spices, you are adding salt. This is material. What is spiritual is you are adding a pinch of love in it to bring satisfaction to the family, to yourself. So there is no activity in which there is materiality or spirituality separated. Actually, they all work together. If you talk nicely to some person, if you respect the other person, what happens? You grow healthy scientifically. It's very good for your health. But on a material side, if you talk to the other person, if you respect the other person, the client will keep coming to you. So you grow materially and you grow spiritually, which is the base concept of Dhyan Prasthan.